Do you want to put LEDs on your RC rig? Well, on this video, I show you how. On this episode, I put some awesome LED lights on my Axial SCX24, and I think the results are pretty awesome. Hey guys, Scott with G-Reviews here to modify the SCX24 a little bit more. This is the 1/24th scale Jeep. And what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be installing this light kit that I got off of Amazon. I think it was about 10 bucks. It's called the ShareGoo 8 LED headlight kit. So basically it just plugs into your receiver and you get 2 headlights, 2 taillights, and then 4 orange LEDs. Today on G-Reviews, I'm going to go ahead and stick these guys in my little 1/24th scale Jeep. Now the Jeep does already have 2 LED lights in the front, but what'll be cool is once we've got 2 more headlights and 2 taillights, and then like I said, those rock lights. So basically on this receiver we already have a bunch of spots. It says LED. So basically I'm just going to stick this in here and I'll just show you real quick what it looks like when it's plugged in. So there you go. So you get all these LEDs. Like I said, 2 headlights, the 2 red taillights, and then you've got these 4 orange ones, which I think I'm just going to make rock lights. Today, I'm going to go ahead and put them in. And what I've already done is the kit comes with these little, I don't even know what you want to call them, but these little guys, you basically stick the LED lights in these. Let me just show you one real quick. So basically, this goes right up in here. Look at that, awesome. And then they stay really well. So there's one of the headlights, and I'll just kind of do that real quick and come back with you. And then I'll probably end up trying to, I guess, hot glue the orange ones onto maybe the shock towers or something for ground effects. I don't know. We'll see what I do with those. Alright guys, check it out. I've got my high beams, I've got my fog lights, I've got my tail lights here, and then I've also got rock lights on the bottom. What do you guys think? This is a sweet upgrade. Obviously there's lots of wires inside. But I think for 10 bucks, it is really cool. And certainly those rear lights, I really like the rear lights as well. I think I love lights, and this is really a cool upgrade for your little 24 scale, and it adds a little bit of weight too, so it's probably going to be better, better kind of handling on the rocks and stuff, get a little bit more traction. But anyway guys, that's Scott with G-Reviews. So if you guys have any questions about how we did this, really I just I hot glued these guys in the middle, and then obviously these back ones I just used the mounts that came with the kit, those guys right there. But that's pretty much it. I mean, it was pretty easy. It plugged right into the ESC. So that's that. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.